Welcome everyone to my first video, to my second YouTube channel, I'm just trying to do something new, I'm trying to give you guys a little bit of and what I have to go through to set up all this, the lights and shit we got over here. We went through a lot of freaking redecoration. I think this might be one of my biggest and most expensive. I try to stay in a budget, most expensive room setup I ever done. We have a whole bunch of stuff we gotta add, bro. We got new lights, new furniture, which you gotta start. This is the most gruesome parts, and we're also gonna build a PC. If I told you most of these stuff I got is they're bundles. They come in like Micro Center bundles online, anyways. But yeah, it's gonna be a massive room makeover. Hope you guys enjoy it. This is my first video, and also for you guys information, this video is also made for me, so I can look back at where I came from where I start, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the old setup that I have, and also the specs of the old computer. I said my computer is like 5 years old, barely holding up. I'm gonna play a video so you guys can see. Bruh, listen to this shit. The fuck is making that noise? But can take off. We gotta get a new PC. How to make the process of everything I do better and easier for me. So like playing video games, because I couldn't do that on my 1070 GTX graphics card. No, we got a different graphics card. I'm gonna put all the specs up at the end of the video and all that. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Let's take a look at my setup I have right now and the specs. I'm gonna show you guys the specs. I'm sure this is the first time you guys seeing the background from this. This is my current setup right now. Fuck, damn, way too much shit on the table. Put that shit. This is all my cable management. I know some of you guys gonna be like, what the fuck? What the fuck is that? Is that Reeboks? Is that a cotton candy just me? Is that Lysol over there? But yeah, that's the setup for now. I will be changing that. That TV right there, I'm not planning to move it, so it's gonna still stay there. So I know some of y'all are gonna be triggers as fuck, because I'm not trying to get any new TV. They did put a TV up there once, and yeah, I'm not gonna do it again. Unless I get one of those thingy that finds like studs and shit where you can like actually put your TV up, but I don't have one of those. I know you can knock on it to feel it, but I tried it with in my brother's room and it didn't fucking work out. But yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna start taking down this, so this is gonna be the last time. Hey, this is my last time.
Oh no,
no. I'm still gonna keep the computer though. I'm gonna put it at the bottom down there once I get everything back up, like everything back up. So I'm gonna start unplugging all the bull crappy shit and do that. So I'm gonna show you the power of editing. Let's do this.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so we do have the table set up. Now, I think I'm about to do lights. So yeah, hopefully everything goes good. So right now I'm about to do the lights right here. I don't know what they're called though. I'm just gonna set them up and we'll see. Cut back later. There you go. Now we got the L. Let's do this. What, that took me like 2 hours? Wasn't bad. Alright, so I did put up the underglow light. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if it's bright enough. I gotta hook it up on my phone too. So let me change the light real quick to make it a bit blurry so you guys can see it. Oh my god, it was a hassle to put that shit up. But yeah, we got it up. Let's come over here real quick. Yep, underglow. I got a little cards down there and shit, so I'm gonna try to fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna continue out. I'm gonna put up the monitor and then, you know, move on to the next thing. Let's do this. All right, so excuse me. Damn, I just drank a Red Bull. The monitor is up. I think I'm gonna stop right here for the video. If I show you guys anymore, it's probably gonna be the final. I will continue putting up the other monitor and shit. The last thing I'm doing is setting up the seat. I have music in the background, but yeah, this might be the final video before I set up the whole PC. So let's do this. So finally finished. Now is the moment of truth. I haven't turned it on yet. This is my first time turning it on. Let's do this. Oh.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Alright.
No!
Let's do this. Woo! First boot up. It's a top. The top one now, Rocky? What's happening over there? I think the cooler is now. Alright, I gotta go back and try to fix the cooler.
Much, much, much later.
Ah, finally. Oh my god, it's finally boot up. So I just gotta put the case back on and do a couple BIOS update. All right, so it's been about a week now. The flash was on. I'm trying to make it inside dark as possible. So yeah, it's been about a week now. Actually, almost 2 weeks. I got sick right after the day I assembled everything. I came a long way. That's all I gotta say. These are all sweat, blood, tears, help from people whenever I'm streaming. Norcal Levi was one of them who helped, donation and all that, and other people too. But yeah, and also work. So most of these are stuff I personally use my money for, which working, saving, all that, extra hours and shit. So here we go. I'm gonna try to put this in 4K and start everything. So without further ado, let's do this. We're gonna count down, right? 3, 2, 1. Alright, so yes, that's it. We're all finished. We're all done with everything. All the gears and specs is gonna be down in the description for the YouTube. This is everything, already set up and redecorated and all that shit. I don't know, I think the screen is kind of too high up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can actually touch the screen right here. It's too high up, so I'm planning on lower the screen so I can see what I'm doing and so you guys can see shit. But yeah, the screen kind of too high. Plus I want these to show, so I gotta put them higher up, probably on the side right here. No, that doesn't work. That does, or no, if I put this up too high, it's not gonna work. But yeah, wait, let me check something real quick. Hello. Okay. I had to check the audio real quick. But yeah, everything is over, everything is done. This right here is kind of like a video test I'm doing through the OBS on the new system. Hopefully it's everything is better. Everything seems to be running smoothly. Actually, my CPU is usually up in like the 40s or 50s, but yeah, it's down, it's running good. I want to thank everyone again, that help out with everything. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you do enjoy, you know the spill. Click that like and subscribe videos. I also do reaction over at my main channel. On this channel, I'm planning to drop gameplay, Twitch VODs and shit, just random shit, random whatever. Also check me out over on Twitch. I stream sometimes, but since I got the new PC and everything set up, I'm probably gonna be streaming more. I'm trying to switch over to keyboard and mouse and gaming. But anyways, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you. Peace.